Vascular stents are among the largest segments in the medical device and consumables market today. Professor Li Yamin, founder of HUNAN Injection High Technology Co. Limited, has led his research team to successfully develop NiTi Alloy and stents using metal injection molding (MIM) technology for the first time. These stents feature low oxygen impurities, high dimensional accuracy, and excellent superelasticity and fatigue resistance. Biocompatibility tests showed that the material does not inhibit human umbilical vein endothelial cells proliferation, migration, or adhesion. It also demonstrated a low hemolysis rate of just 0.4%, well within the less than 5% safety threshold. This breakthrough significantly reduces the complexity of traditional manufacturing processes and enables the scalable production of precision, integrated stents. This research also represents a forward-looking application of metal injection molding technology in the field of high-value, advanced materials.